and now you're off to Georgetown. So you go to Georgetown to
The assignment in Georgetown plant was to fix its problems.
So you went from Toyota City, Toyota plant, to Georgetown to fix problems. You first didn't go there as the president. You became the president, but first you went there to fix some problems that they had.
The headquarter plant sent me to Georgetown to fix their problems. Then 1 year later, after I've been there, the headquarter in Japan decided, okay, Amezawa, you become the president.
Let me ask you a question. Did you ever think when you first started out, when you were just a young high school student or college student, that you would ever be the president of Georgetown, Kentucky?
No, I didn't. Not at all.
When you walked through the door that day as the president, what was that like?
I was already there. It was nothing special. I was used to being in Georgetown.
Yeah. So you're very familiar with everything there. But
Very
now
familiar.
it was all
I
you.
was very familiar with the plant.
But it was all you now. Was that a lot of pressure?
When I traveled to Georgetown, I always got with the general manager and the working class, and we had drinking parties, so I was very familiar with them.
Drinking parties.
And they are very used to me. I had these parties with the top managers, but no Japanese.
Yeah. So you want to become friends with the Americans because you had to work with the Americans.
I wanted them to know I'm on their side. I'm going to work with them.
I'm your
Right.
buddy.
Right.
I'm your buddy,
Right.
not the enemy.
Yeah.
Most of the Toyota executive, first day, first night, they have dinner, but only with the Japanese.
So this was your strategy.
My strategy was no Japanese, only the Americans. We'll go to Italian restaurants, steak restaurants.
Not sushi, not sashimi.
No Japanese restaurants with Japanese managers.
Yeah.
He avoided it.
That's the reason why, when I was assigned as the president, the people trusted me and wanted to work with me.
What was your favorite American food?
Maybe steak,
Yeah, steak.
and wine in America is very good.
American
Wine.
My favorite wine was Mondavi, whatever that is.